Hey guys, back with another video. I just picked up a gig order. Has two bags, and I'm just putting them in my vehicle. So I'm going to finish the process, since I haven't showed you the process of doing a sud share slash it was called another name now. Poplin is what it's called now. But anyway, I just picked up a gig economy order, and I'll show you the next process when I get to the house. Doing too much construction out here. I'm glad when they finish this construction out here. Anyway, I just picked up a laundry order and on my way to sort the laundry and put it in the washer. Okay guys, I just got home, got some light on. Now I'm about to take this laundry near the laundry room. Here we go. So first thing I do is I get my gloves, which is up here. And then I get the laundry detergent. And since she wants regular, I use this. It already have the softener in it, even though we're not obligated to do softener. I thought it would, it'd be more easy just to get the detergent to have the what I'm trying to say, the softener in it, and it's still pretty much the same price. So why not? And then on top of that, if your customer's laundry is so, much better, they'll give you a bigger tip. But anyway, I'm about to start on the first load now. Okay, now I'm going to open up my first bag of laundry. It's pretty dark in here. I don't know why. I got the light on, but I don't know why it's so dark in here. My laundry room. Let's see if I can put a little bit more light. You guys can see. So I'm opening up the first bag, and you have to have it in cold water, which I pretty normally keep it on because I do a lot of laundry. Because it's good money, it's good extra money. So let me go ahead and add the first load into the washer. She's pretty much already separated. And this was a request. This young lady requested me. I have done her laundry, before, plenty of times before. And she requested me. And you also, when someone requests you, you get more points. And you pretty much, when they request you, they're going to give you a tip. Because they like what you do with their laundry. I'm so sorry this light is not the best in here, but I guess I have to work with what I got. And also, this young lady is in the military. You can tell by, because sometimes I have her military uniforms in here. And actually, it's only really one load. Just, didn't have the bags heavy, which I love. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can show you what's in. I have in here now. All right, this is what I have. And now she had this in 2 bags, which, as you can see, is not all the way full. And this is the load. Starting it, and shut the door, and wait for this load to finish before I put it in the dryer. Okay guys, the washer has stopped. Now I'm going to get the clothes out of the washer and put it into the dryer. Here we go. Let's see. Okay guys, now I'm in the folding process. Actually, I already did folded up a bag and already got it all tied up with the little ribbon gifts on the inside. I already did one bag, and so now I'm doing the last couple of pieces. So let's go ahead and finish up this last couple of pieces. Get folded up real fast. You gotta make sure they're inside out, you know, they're not backwards. So I remember when I first got started, actually a couple of years ago, I was telling this guy about, you know, the laundry service. He wanted extra income because he was also doing Walmart deliveries also with me, and he wanted extra income. So I told him that I also do this. So when he got one of his customer, of course they wasn't very it was a woman. She was upset because he had the pants, all the clothes inside out. So when she had to go wear her clothes, she had to, you know, pull them on the right side. I don't know why you wouldn't think to put people's clothes on the correct side. I just don't understand why he did that. But anyway, that just brought back that memory of an old co-worker of mine who did that. But yeah, I've been doing Share, which is now called Poplin, since April of 2019. And I love that you can work from home, and I use it to make extra money for when I want to go out of town on vacation. Now that I had to get another vehicle over a year ago to pay my car note, so I use the extra money for, you know, a lot of things, but mostly the two that I just named: vacation and paying off my vehicle. That way I won't have to use my regular, you know, paycheck to do those things. But yep, this is my last piece. And then I'm going to put these in a bag. And then I'll be back once I get to the weight part. Okay, got it all folded in this bag. And like I said, I only had a little bit more left. So I'm just going to tie this bag. I'm not going to put ribbon on this one, but usually I will cut a piece of ribbon. Show you my ribbon. Yeah, different types of ribbon, different colorful ribbon, and white, and all color ribbon. Different. I will, you know, cut a piece of this and put it on top of the bag, like I did this one. Ooh, this is heavy. See, like I did this one. So now it's time to go weigh the bags. Let's go weigh the bags. So here's the weight down here. So now, the first thing I do is get on the weight. Alright, and then I write that weight down. Then I take a bag, or a bag, get on the weight again, take that weight, and then I write that down. And then get the last bag, which is a small bag. Get back up here and weigh myself with this bag. And then I'll write that down. And while you writing those down, the app will calculate what the weight of each bag is. So that's why you weigh yourself first. And then again, you weigh yourself with each bag. And then it calculates how much each bag weighs.